Hey guys, let's talk about that one dream we all have.
Cruising in a Range Rover. And the good news, that dream is not far off because used Range Rovers are cheap. Especially the late L322 model years. These are everywhere on the Nigerian used car market. And finding a locally used example for less than 5 million naira. Nah, normal thing. But today, I'm here to tell you what I consider the worst financial mistake you might ever make. This is Oluwatobi Jetro Cars. Let's talk about some cars. First of all, rare and expensive spare parts. Most of these are sitting in mechanical shops collecting dust because a certain part is faulty and it's not just available for sale. Finding spare parts for that fancy British machine would be like searching for a Big Brother Ninja housemate with actual talents. I didn't say that. You might spend days and sometimes even months searching for that specific component. And when you do find it, the price tag wouldn't be cheap. Did I mention a single shock absorber might cost you like 300k to replace a pair on a car that's over a decade old? And that's not even the most expensive part. Let's just say you mistakenly need a new engine. That's an over 2 million naira fix. Plus or minus labor hours, still depending on the model year range. It's okay. Secondly, foiling the beast. These Range Rovers like to drink fuel. Like they literally drink the fuel. Trust me, Range Rovers are known for their powerful Jaguar, BMW, and Ford V8 engines. Of course, there are others, but that power comes with a thirst for fuel. Imagine averaging 12 to 14 miles per gallon combined city and highway. If you ask me, that's a very bad fuel management. 3. Electrical nightmares. Wait first, the electrical system in a cheap Range Rover that resides in Nigeria is definitely messed up. Take my word for it.
See all this wire cord?
It's messed up. It's messed up.
Completely messed up, you understand?
There's a huge chance that cannot rewire. Not to even mention about the complex electrical systems in a Range Rover. It can be a nightmare for someone who doesn't know what he is doing. Diagnosing some of these electrical problems requires specialized knowledge and equipment, which means FT repair bills at specialized mechanics. I repeat, specialized mechanics. Good luck finding one. Which brings us to the next point. I call this one the mechanic metamorphosis. Seriously, aside the fact that you bought a bad car, you might also need to get a space for it in your mechanical shop. And the annoying part is, these people will not even tell you the truth. They will be whining you and be collecting money from you, and at the same time be the landlord of your car. Can you imagine the effrontery? Your mechanic literally turns to your spiritual advisor and car mentor just because you got a car. Now wow, so is it a status symbol or a sweat symbol? Sure, you might turn heads with this SUV. These SUVs look extremely good. I swear, them stand well. But for all those reasons, do you still think it is worth it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I don't need to stress the fact that these don't do well on the Nigerian used car market, because obviously you got it cheap on the Nigerian used car market as well. So don't expect to make an extra on it when you are getting rid of it. I guess it's karma. What goes around comes back around. Alright, the point is, don't let the allure of a cheap Range Rover cloud your judgment. Do your research, always buy smart, and remember, a reliable car with less drama is way cooler than a cheap broken down dream with expensive repair bills. It's always good to invest in a vehicle that's reliable, fuel efficient, and has readily available parts, especially in this Agbado regime. Don't add to the already existing issues. But if you are up for it, go for it. Trust your gut. Not be me go tell you wetin you go use your money buy.
Are you fucking want to say me look your
That's not what I'm doing, bro.
But be prepared. I remember I actually did make this video to warn you. And just know what you're getting yourself into. Let me know what you think in the comment section and if you've ever experienced this SUV. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.